So, since my PC was acting up, I restarted it, and this is all it does. Doesn't do anything. You just hear it rev, and then slow down, and rev again. Yep. That's what you get for a fucking Acer. Piece of shit. Never liked Acer. The only reason why I'm using it is because I was given it for free. And it was better than the one I had. But the one I had seems to last a lot longer. Yep, and that's what you get for a faggot Acer. Now I got no computer. Except for the laptop here, which I have a lot of features on this one that I don't have on a laptop. So now I'm downgrading in features. That's great.